Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to remove group chat in Messenger. Let's get started. Start by opening Messenger on your device. Open the group that you want to leave. Then tap on the information icon at the top right. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Leave Chat here. You have two options. Choose Admin or Leave Group. Tap on Choose Admin. If you want any specific member to be the admin, if you tap on Leave Group, Messenger will randomly choose the admin. But remember, these options are available only if you are the admin of the group, and that is how to remove group chat in Messenger. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.